All right, let's have a quick look at the Limo Studio Umbrella Light. It comes in this carrying case, and let's open it up. And there's actually 3 stands in here. I have my own light. I actually have this one right here. Let's open it up. Let's take a look. Here are all the parts that come with it. So we have a very small stand, and then we have 2 taller stands right here. These are the sockets. So you're getting 1, 2, and then 3 right there. And then we have the actual umbrella. So we're just gonna set up one of them, and we're gonna demonstrate what it looks like. Okay, this is an example without the Limo lights. This is just the lights from the top of the ceiling, just what you would get in the normal room. Now we're gonna turn on the Limo lights, and they're gonna be pointed that way, okay, with the umbrella facing this way. So that'll be our first example. Then I also have the middle light right here. It's very strong. This will be secondary, and then we also have the other one on this side. All right, so let's turn them on. First, let's do this one here, okay? Okay, so now you're getting very good light on this side. Now let's turn on this other one. Pretty much even light, as you can see. I think this is very good. All right, so if we turn on the middle light though, we're gonna see it's a little bit harsh, and then we get some shadow just because it's a very strong light. So let's turn that on. Okay, so now we have very, very strong light right there. Okay, so the other example, I'm gonna show us turn off the middle light. Okay, so now let's see what they look like with the umbrellas pointing the other way. So let's start with this one. Let's turn it around. Okay, now it's pointing this way. Turn this one around. Okay, so now they're very close to me, like at arm's length. You can see it right here in my hand. So this is what it looks like with both of the lights pointing this way. Another thing that I want to do is I want to raise them so they're taller. So let's look at what that looks like. Let's raise them. All right, so now I've raised this one so you can see the difference between the two, but let's raise the other one. All right, so now they're both pretty tall, and you can see the light coming down. I mean, just for the sake of testing out. Now we have this one turned on. Okay, another thing that I want to do is I want to turn this light and put the umbrella on it so we can see what that looks like. But this is a pretty even light. I like the way this looks too. They're up above this way. Okay, so I'm just taking the umbrella and I'm going to put it on the heavier light here. Okay, they removed the umbrella from this light, so you can see you can actually have it with the umbrella, and it's going to be a little bit stronger, but actually not that bad. All right, so now we got the middle light, and let's turn that on and see what that looks like. See if it softens up that light. So you can see that it is a lot softer. It's not so harsh, and this is what it looks like. Okay, so that's the smaller stand, the bigger light on the umbrella. So you can use it in a variety of ways. You're getting a little bit of a shadow here from that light just because it's very strong. Now if I were to shut it off, you'll be able to see the difference. So if I shut that off, now we got this tall light here and this bottom light right here. So it's all a matter how you want to set it up. And that's essentially how that works. All right. Let me know if you found this tutorial useful. Let me know if you need more tips on how to set this up. Everything you see, the lights and the actual setup, the whole bag that comes with the 3 stands, it's all linked in the comments below. So if you're interested, let me know. I'll be happy to help you.